Does this sound familiar? You're studying hard, exercising often, and doing everything you can to get smarter. And then you walk into a room and completely forget why you're there. What if I told you that the reason you're forgetting might be because your brain is growing too fast? It sounds crazy, but groundbreaking new research in neuroscience is turning everything we know about memory on its head. We used to believe that forgetting was a flaw, a problem of brain cells dying or neural connections weakening. But this new study suggests that for your brain to remember new, important information, it must actively delete old, irrelevant data. Think of your brain's memory center, the hippocampus, as a limited edition bookshelf. When you learn something new, you place a new book, a memory, onto the shelf. But there's a catch. Every single day, your brain is actually growing brand new neurons in a process called neurogenesis. This is especially true when you are young. In fact, scientists now believe this massive burst of new brain cells is exactly why you can't remember anything from before you were 3 years old. It's called infantile amnesia, and it's not because your brain failed to form memories, but because the explosive growth of new neurons completely disrupted and deleted the old ones. But here is the most shocking part. You know how everyone tells you to exercise because it's good for your brain? They're right. Exercise is one of the single most powerful ways to increase neurogenesis. A cardiovascular workout floods your brain with growth factors, sparking the creation of thousands of new cells. These new cells are excellent at forming new memories and accelerating new learning. But the research shows there is a trade-off. As these new neurons try to integrate into your existing brain circuits, they often get in the way of retrieval. It's like trying to reorganize that limited bookshelf, while someone is simultaneously throwing thousands of new books into the room. To make room for the new data, your brain actively facilitates forgetting of certain past memories. So, the next time you lose your keys right after a great workout, don't panic. You're not losing your mind. Your brain is just running an upgrade to make you smarter, faster, and more efficient at learning today, even if it has to sacrifice some information from yesterday. What do you think? Comment below. I'm Geli, and that's another nut cracked. Like and subscribe to stay curious.